Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you guys might already know that Assam Police has notified for the recruitment of SI Police, I mean Sub Inspector in Assam Police. So it will start from 22nd December to 21 January 2022. So the most doubt about the form fill up is the documents, what documents we need while form fill up. So and amongst them also doubts regarding PRC, permanent residence certificate. So that is the doubts going on among aspirants. So without delay, let's start. What are the alternatives that PRC can we provide? So let us first discuss what are the documents we require. So certificate of proof of age, that will be admit card of HSLC and equivalent examination, and the pass certificate of mark sheet and of graduation. As you already know that for SI the minimum educational qualification is graduation, be it in BA, BSc, BCom or any engineering graduate, MBBS. Another one important document is your employment exchange registration card. So if you guys do not have any employment exchange registration card, please do form fill up employment online in employment exchange portal and do get your registration card. So if this is very easy nowadays, you can form fill up online, you have enough time. Please first enroll yourself in employment registration certificate before coming to form fill up this SI Police. Now next is our as there is a sports quota also. So if someone has represented in India in international sports, then you guys also have 5% reservation, and same you can avail for by issuing certificate, by displaying your certificate. And the next is caste certificate if you belong to any caste. So caste certificate is also must. And another one is the important which we have doubt, permanent residential certificate, and EWS certificate if you belong to EWS, and transgender certificate if you are a transgender. So let's talk about PRC. So there are many doubts regarding PRCs. You can see our honorable DGP Assam Police, he has also mentioned in Facebook that they have noticed request DMs on our social media handles regarding recently released advertisement regarding these armed branch of Commando Battalion and unarmed branch of SI Police and Constable for Assam Police. So the main bone of contention is regarding permanent residential certificate as the only valid document for proof of domicile. Okay, so why PRC is required? PRC is required because proof of domicile in Assam. There is one condition for the Assam Police is that you must be domicile of Assam. So to prove that you require this permanent residential certificate. But if there is a issue to proof of domicile, there is no need of permanent residential certificate. This can be proved by our voter ID, this can be proved by our NRC, or this can be proved with any other government issued identity cards. So this is making our doubts regarding really what certificate do we need to provide for proof of domicile. So DGP of Assam is also saying the same, and he is saying that after taking all the inputs into account, we want to inform all those concerned that we are putting a request to include other options along with PRC as of proof of domicile. So other options you can think of it, voter ID, you can think of Aadhaar card, you can think of NRC. So all these documents will be accepted as a proof of domicile. So this is ongoing, and you will get official notification from the Assam Police. So already DGP has intimated this decision. So obviously it will be soon notified by concerned authority. So next, this is regarding PRC. And also if you guys have PRC of higher education, for higher education purpose, I think this also valid as a proof of domicile in job. So the where to apply, so you can apply in this website, and you can go over this website. And now it has not started, since it will be starting from 22 December. So wait for the 22 December, then you will able to fill online application here. So this is the website, you can go over there and fill the same. So I think I clear, I think this is it for today. Yes, there is still doubt, as not official notification has not been out, but don't worry, don't stress yourself, and don't be in anxiety. Prepare yourself for the exam, give your best, and you collect first other documents. And please do remember for the employment exchange registration card, this is also important as your PRC. So please do get this one first. And regarding PRC, it will be notified soon by the, as already you have enough time, so don't worry and give time yourself in study. This is it guys for today. Thank you so much.